The screen lights up, but the spirit is real. We gather from miles, our wounds start to heal. No walls can hold what the heart conceives. We are one body, in Him we believe. Voices rise like flames in the night. Scattered souls now burning bright. Virtual revival, the church alive. Through the wires, His love survives. Acts of mercy, hearts collide. We're breaking bread, we're sanctified. We're sanctified. Each prayer is a thread weaving us tight. A tapestry of grace in the endless night. We break chains with every song we sing. This is the house of the risen King. Hands raised high. Through the screens we see. In the midst, where two or three, yeah. Virtual revival, oh. The church alive. Oh yeah. Through the wires. Through the wires. His love survives. Acts of eyes. Acts of mercy. Oh. Hearts collide. They placed the weight upon His back, a crown of thorns. The sky turned black. The streets cried out. The world stood still. Oh, the King climbed up that hill. Every step was love poured out. Every wound removed my doubt. Oh, the King on the cross, He bore it all. He paid the cost. Arms stretched wide. Love so true for the world, for me, for you. On the cross, He bore it all. He paid the cost. Arms stretched wide. Love so true for the world, for me, for you. The nails drove deep, the heavens wept, the earth it shook, the promise kept, the sign above read truth and grace. King of the Jews in that holy place. Through the pain, His mercy sang. On the cross, redemption rang. Oh, the King on the cross, He bore it all. He paid the cost. Arms stretched wide. Love so true for the world, for me, for you. On the cross, He paid the cost. Oh, love so true for the world, for me, for you. flows like a stream.
No one
in need,
no one alone.
no one alone.
Build each other.
We call it all. One heart, one soul, we share it all. Big or small,